Hey, fine people, it's Mark Kelly once again with Inbound Revenue. If you have any questions about your Google Ads, you need help, you need some advice, reach out. You can find us at inboundrevenue.com. If you have any questions about this video or you have a region or a niche you'd like us to run a video on, let us know. Drop it in comments below. This is our part of our series where we target one region, one niche, just to take a look at what the local advertising space is on Google, how competitive it is, what the type of ads they're running, whether it's a niche that you could get into perhaps as an agency, or how competitive it is for your business. This one is less competitive than I thought it would be. This is Tampa. We're targeting Tampa in the general area, and we're targeting pool service. We looked at pool repair, and that was the most competitive niche we've seen so far. So we've got 39 competitors here. Let's take a look at the schedule. It's a reasonably busy all day long, all night. So up to 19 advertisers at any one time in the space. Let's look at the keywords I used. I looked at pool service near me, pool service, pool cleaning service near me, pool cleaning, pool maintenance near me, pool cleaning service. Always trying to look at intent-based keywords. Pool cleaning might be a little more general, but I guess there's, could be some how-to out there on pool cleaning. But intent-based keywords is always what we're trying to look for, and indeed people are advertising on it. So let's take a look at the advertisers, and we'll take a look at so let's pull up a search competition real quick, see how competitive it is. So some of these advertisers at the very top are super competitive, and we've got Google up there. It's never good for a local advertiser when you see Google at the top. We'll sort these by ad count, and we'll take a look at Blue Science and see what these folks are all about. Let's take a look at Blue Science's ads. Yes, we clean St. Pete pools. Weekly service available now. I like that. That ad copy stands out a lot. Yes, we clean St. Pete pools. You might see me steal that idea. They've got some extensions. They've got best trained swimming pool. When I reference extensions, those are things that you can add to your ads inside of Google Ads that they will show sometimes, such as call outs, phone numbers, internal links, that sort of thing. Weekly service, it looks like they're pretty consistent with their ad copy. Pool cleaning service, pool service plan, on and on. Let's take a look at their landing page where they send their ads to. Blue Science Pools, it's got a phone number. Okay, that's not bad. I mean, I'd love to see, they've got some offers on here, full service plan, partial service. They've got a begin service, probably takes you to a form or something like that. Wish they had a form on here for just leads, but they don't, but that's pretty cool. Not terrible. Let's take a look at the second advertiser, who I think is Pinch Penny. Let's see who they are. Pinch Penny. Pinch Penny Pool Cleaning, get a free pool service quote. Pool and photo, they're in Dunedin, which is right near Clearwater. They've got some extensions going. Nothing too compelling with their ad copy. Let's take a look at their landing page. Oh, we've seen this one. We saw these folks on the or something very similar to it on the pool repair. Okay, so they're active in the market for sure. Then Google, wonder what Google's doing here. It's probably local service ads, I would imagine. Sunny day pools, quality care pool, pool cleaning services. Yeah, those would be. Oh, there are people running ads directly to their Google My Business page. Interesting. Not something we ever do, but I guess it can be done. Let's look at Team Pool Works as our last advertiser. Reliable weekly pool service. 1 month free. That's a nice offer. Throw some numbers in their ads. It'd be even better. They do have some extensions going. And let's take a quick look at their landing page. Pool Works. A little dated. Oh, we've seen these on the pool. Seen these guys in the pool repair space as well. So, interesting. So not the most competitive niche that we've seen in the Tampa region. If you have a niche you'd like us to look at or a region you'd like us to look at, drop some comments in the comments below. If you need any help with your Google Ads, reach out to us at www.inboundrevenue. I'm Mark Kelly. We'll see you folks in the next video. Take care.